Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on this dual computer mount for my computer desk. This is just going to be the unboxing. I'll go over a couple simple measurements. So the clamp, you got two of these clamps that you're going to have to clamp onto your desk. That's going to hold that. And these maximum width right there is about 4 inches. And it sticks out about 2 inches. Then you can move this to a smaller setting. There's just a little detent there that's going to get in there. Yeah, there's the minimum. That's about 1 inch. And that's what these are. So you'll mount these clamps to this. You'll have to mount both of them to it. Then it's going to sit there like, yeah, there's a little detent there. It's going to sit there like that. Then you simply just set these on there. These are the arms. There is some cable storage right there. And then these are the actual computer. This is what you're going to mount to the computer. And then it sits right there like that. Then you've got 2 dual monitors. You've got some Allen screws that you can adjust right there. No, where's the adjustments at? Let's do some measurements here. Maximum screws, those are 4 inches. And then you do have some holes for 3 inches apart. And it's a square. Here's all the different, you got some spacers, clamp. There is a simple tool, threaded section, some nuts and bolts, some screws. So I hope this unboxing video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.